Best garlic chicken keto recipe with broccoli and spinach. 1 pound chicken breasts cut into 1-inch pieces. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning. 1/4 teaspoon crushed pepper optional. Salt and pepper to taste. 3 to 4 cloves garlic minced. 1/2 cup tomatoes chopped. 2 cups broccoli florets. 2 cups baby spinach. 4 ounces cream cheese. 1/2 cup shredded cheese, mozzarella, cheddar, parmesan, or favorite melting cheese. Instructions here to follow: right pointing finger, 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 right pointing finger. Heat 2 tablespoons olive oil in a large saucepan over medium-high heat. Add the chopped chicken breasts, season with Italian seasoning, crushed red pepper, and salt and pepper. Sauté for 4 to 5 minutes or until chicken is golden and cooked through. Add the garlic and sauté for another minute or until fragrant. Add the tomato, broccoli, spinach, shredded cheese, and cream cheese. Cook for another 3 to 4 minutes or until the broccoli is cooked through. Serve with cooked pasta, rice, or cauliflower rice. Are you interested in getting your own 15-20 minutes best garlic chicken keto recipe with broccoli and spinach?